have that with anything colour, to be honest.
He's already got one. Yeah. Yeah.
All right.